Hey guys, this is Malavika and today I'll be explaining to you the procedure to get a student visa to study in the UK. Before you go on with the process of applying for a visa to study, you must first get an acceptance from a university in the UK. To do this, you must apply with the UCAS. The UCAS stands for the University and College Admission Service, and they have a website which you can apply to various universities in the UK. As of now, the UCAS charges 13 euros and 24 euros for the applications to single or multiple universities respectively. On acceptance from a university, UCAS will send you something called as a CAS. The CAS stands for the Confirmation of Acceptance of Studies, which is a form that states that you can be admitted, and this form can be used at the time of your visa application. You will also need to pay 150 euros for health coverage as an immigrant for the first year. Another important piece of info that you should know is what type of visa should you be applying for. Typically, students above the age of 18 must apply for a student visa that is called the Tier 4 visa. If you have been accepted to a full degree program, then you will require the Tier 4 general visa. For diplomas and short courses spanning 6 months or less, you can opt for the student visitor visa. The UK student visa fees in both these scenarios is at about 310 euros and 83 euros respectively. You must remember to apply for your visa at least 3 months. That's right, at least 3 months before your classes start. Now to apply online for visa appointment, you can go to the VFS global website that shall help you with the booking and appointment and filling all the required details. Before you apply online, it is good to be ready with all the documents required. So we are going to help you with the list of documents, and they are as follows. First document is a tuberculosis screening certificate from the UKVI approved TB test center. Now, this is applicable for some countries only. Second thing that you will need is a financial proof for funding and for your studies. Generally, when asking for financial proof, an influx of money into the account just within 30 to 60 days can warrant the embassy to ask how you got all this money. So make sure to have receipts for all the cash flows into your account as a proof. At number 3, you will need the receipt of immigration, which is your health surcharge payment. Okay, so that's like a receipt of immigration health surcharge payment. And at number 4, you will need the CAS we spoke of a little earlier. So you'll need that CAS form that you would have got from the UCAS website. You will also need the academic certificates and transcripts mentioned in the CAS form. And at last, you will also need the English language proficiency test, which we all know about as IELTS, mentioned in the CAS form. Make sure to take the IELTS from the UKVI. The others may or may not count. You will also need your current passport, obviously, and 2 photographs and your original birth certificate with a translation for the non-English document. So this is about it. For more questions regarding the UK visa process or studying abroad, comment down below and I'll solve all your doubts. For more information regarding the UK visa process, you can also check out this blog, which we have linked down below. And for any further queries, please feel free to reach out to us at iSchoolConnect. You can contact us with the link in the description or call us with the number in the description. We're totally cool that way. Until next time, this is Malavika signing off on behalf of iSchoolConnect. See ya!